Hi, I'm Dr. Acosta for Sondercare. Today, we're going to talk about upgrading to high-end hospital beds, a senior living operator playbook. At $9,500 a month, families notice everything, and nothing undermines a luxury community faster than a clinical-looking bed in an otherwise beautiful suite. Clinical-looking beds leak TOR conversions, invite citation risks, and signal the wrong message. Upgrading closes all three gaps at once. Full high-low travel lets nurses work safely at waist height. That single feature can reduce caregiver injury claims by up to 82%. The smartest upgrade proposals split costs between FF&E and workforce safety budgets, unlocking larger capital approvals and broader organizational buy-in. Memory care has the highest acuity, highest rates, and most tour traffic. It's where a furniture-grade bed delivers the strongest and fastest return. Furniture-grade beds certified to IEC 60601-2-52 deliver Trendelenburg, high-low travel, and pressure mattress compatibility inside a frame families never question. Run a 30 to 60-day pilot across memory care, assisted living, and independent living. Real data turns a furniture ask into a board-approved competitive strategy. Communities that upgrade now harden their rate card, reduce clinical risk, and align every bedroom with the hospitality promise their brand already makes.